All right, we're starting on another project here, taking up this whole roof. The guys already took off the towel so far. Hey, see it's going. I got a guy, a savage guy, coming to pick up this. So what I'm standing on now, eventually is going to be removed. We're taking off the whole roof, trusses, everything. Damn, I didn't know this roof that big. But we got to do what we got to do, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, if you guys like my videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Darmac Builders. Make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. That's the towel there. Took it all up. It's gonna be a different look, more contemporary look over here. This is what we do. What's my guy doing over there by the tree? What are you doing over there? What's that? Huh? You got a towel in that corner? All right, cool. My boy doing it. Some of the guys up here doing what they got to do, man. I'm very proud of them. This is what Darmac is. These are behind the scenes. This is what you really probably don't see as often, but it exists. And I come, and I really don't have to stay here that long. The guys they do what they have to do. This is what keeps it going. You know, this is what keeps my jobs going. This is what keeps our Darmac thriving. Nice location though. Kind of like on a intercoastal here. Guys are working their butts off, man. And I had a meeting this morning, took care of some things, and looking for other projects. Got to keep this thing moving. There's the neighbors there, nice pool. They have a pool here eventually. That's going to be resurfaced. So everything I'm standing on now, guys, is going to be removed. And you can tell the age of this house because you can look at the plywood. It's looked like 1x8s that was here as far as the decking. I might save some of this stuff too. I can use it for forming material or whatever, so I can repurpose it just instead of throwing it in a dumpster. Use it for something. My guy over there playing with that tree, man. He's getting all that. So this is what we do. We're just gonna keep it going. So I'm going to leave here and go get a couple more things. And already called in for a dumpster switch out, so the guys they only can put the stuff in once. I don't want them to strip and then gotta put it on the ground and then pick it up again. That's too much time and effort, right? So this is what we be. All right, peace.